So the question here is also asking what is the time complexity of the code below, and we see we have a recursive function that we're looking at, right? And so there's kind of a trick with recursive functions, and the time complexity is the number of times you call your function name to the power of n, right? And so here we have one call and then we have another call. So just with how we normally do time complexity for recursive calls, that would be O2 of n, which is this right here, right? And so let's just say I do fun x minus 1 plus fun x minus 1 plus another function call. So that would be 3, O of 3 to n. Right, and so that's just kind of a trick with recursive functions, and usually it always works.